Good morning, it's Jason Kirchie, and today's Wednesday, October 25th.
Let's check out the stain packets I set last night. Looks like this one drifted. I don't actually see a spot here anymore. I didn't have high expectations, I'll be honest, but the small spot is totally gone. Amazing, the larger spot's totally gone too. And the lighter spot was just residual from the chemical packet. It swept right away. I see nothing. Color me impressed. Sam wanted to come with me to the gym this morning. He likes to scan the thingy. I think you know how I get started. Short run today because I'm trying a new kettlebell workout I saw on Instagram. Sam split a smoothie with me and he also got some gummy worms. He also wanted a pumpkin. He said we need more Halloween decorations. Headed to take my truck into the dealership to address these issues. Hopefully they're a simple fix. But first I'm stopping by Wolf Den Customs to talk to them about a PPF layer down the sides of my Prospector XL. I'll be honest, they're quite a bit more expensive than some other options I'm considering. I'm not sure I can hang out with the Ferrari and Porsche owners they typically service. The dealer I go to is about an hour and a half away because they treat me right. My local dealer is not cool and always hassling me about something. Arsenio at Thunder Ram in Bartow, Florida has been great. I met Ash at the theater and we watched The Creator. It was a fun sci-fi but weird. It had some weird messaging. Anyways, see you